Dramatic video shows a massive fire that was burning as a result of a large explosion at a saltwater disposal site in North Dakota on Thursday. There were no injuries reported. According to KFYR-TV, "We were just finishing up work, coming down the road," said Mike Robertson. "We saw the flames. We stopped by just to take a look at it. Next thing you saw was the big old fireball go off. You feel the thunder and roar." The explosion led to an intense fire due to the barrels of oil and gas that were on the site. "We looked out the window, and that's all we seen, was probably anywhere from 100 to 500 feet in the air," Flames said Ashley Labbe, who also witnessed the fire. Authorities say about $1.4 million worth of oil and gas were lost in the fire. Share this article. Share. Instead of putting out the fire, authorities decided to let it burn out on its own, saying that caused less damage to the environment. "I don't mind oil spills, but saltwater spills I despise. When salt water hits the ground, right now it's frozen, but it still hits the ground, it will sterilize the ground," said Carolyn Japp, the McKenzie County Emergency Manager. KFYR-TV Privacy Policy.